Are you looking for a refreshing way to shed those extra pounds? Imagine a diet where you can enjoy a delicious hydrating fruit while losing weight effortlessly. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around to discover the watermelon diet, a simple yet powerful approach to weight loss that's sweeping the health world. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the juicy details of the watermelon diet and its incredible benefits for weight loss. Watermelon isn't just a summer treat. It's packed with nutrients, hydration, and properties that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. We'll explore how this sweet, low-calorie fruit can be a game-changer in your fitness journey, the science behind its benefits, and practical tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Get ready to transform your diet and health with the power of watermelon. 1. Why watermelon? So why watermelon? First off, watermelon is about 90% water, which means it's incredibly hydrating. Staying hydrated is key for weight loss because it helps keep your metabolism running smoothly and can even reduce hunger pangs. But that's not all. Watermelon is low in calories, only about 46 calories per cup. And it's rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants like lycopene, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. All these factors make it a perfect snack or meal addition for anyone trying to lose weight. 2. How the watermelon diet works. Now let's talk about how the watermelon diet works. There are a few different approaches, but the most common one is a short-term detox plan. Here's a simple breakdown. Detox phase. For the first one, 3 days you eat nothing but watermelon. This helps to flush out toxins and kickstart your weight loss. Make sure to drink plenty of water as well. Healthy eating phase. After the detox phase, you incorporate balanced meals back into your diet but continue to eat watermelon as a snack or dessert. This helps to maintain the weight loss momentum. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. 3. Benefits beyond weight loss. Watermelon isn't just great for weight loss. Its benefits go beyond the scale. Here are a few more reasons to love this fruit. Improves digestion. The high water content and fiber help keep your digestive system healthy. Boosts energy. The natural sugars in watermelon can give you a quick energy boost without the crash you get from processed sugars. Supports skin health. Vitamins A and C promote healthy skin by repairing skin cells and improving collagen production. 4. Tips for incorporating watermelon. Wondering how to incorporate more watermelon into your diet? Here are a few easy ideas. Smoothies. Blend watermelon with a bit of mint and lime for a refreshing drink. Salads. Add watermelon cubes to your salads for a sweet, hydrating twist. Snacks. Simply enjoy a cold slice of watermelon as a snack anytime. And there you have it, the watermelon diet and its amazing benefits for weight loss and overall health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.